So I really don't have a full-fledged video for you this weekend because I've been playing golf, baby. Well, I've been working too. You've seen the reels I posted for out at Wake Forest getting that done. But look at here, man. Holy cow, what a difference. Look at this big, nice, super flat yard right here. Okay, here we go. He run over my other stake. So that stake right there is the front right corner of the house coming from in the driveway. Back right corner. Patio, back porch right here. So that means all this is backyard. Look at that berm, how all that's sloped right there. As of right now, I'm probably just gonna mulch all of that. I'm not sure I'm gonna plant grass. It's just more to mow. So it's probably gonna be a mulch job right there, a bunch of mulch. Probably won't do it, but every other year, every third year. And, but this is where the magic's gonna happen. This is gonna be the backyard putting green. You can see how big it's gonna be. It is going to be massive. This is probably, if I had to guess, I'm gonna say this is around 20,000 square feet, roughly. Well, let me redo that. Let me re-guess that. I'm gonna say in between 15 and 20, something like that. All this right here. It's a humongous putting green with lots of big undulation and all that kind of thing. It is going to be sweet. He's out here on the pan right now. Look at that pan dig. Good gracious alive, look at it. Boy, that is just sweet right there. It's got a cutting edge behind those paddles, and that cutting edge kind of digs, and that paddle right there scoops it up into the hopper, and then he comes over here and he dumps it along the edge there. So come right here to the front edge of the house, front right corner. So we would come over here, somewhere right about here is going to be the front door. You can see over there, there's my stake. Front door right about here, that puts the garage over there. And so all this is gonna be front yard. And man, after doing that renovation on my house I live in now, and just mowing that pure turf type tall fescue, I swear I might just make my front yard fescue. Oh my gosh. I may just do it. So we'll see. I don't know. I want Bermuda everywhere and a little bit of zoysia, but I'm a fescue boy at heart, so I don't know. We'll see. Look at the dump. Look at the dump right here. Dump it, baby. See that thing sliding back right there? That is so cool. Come right here and you can see I raised up the well 6 feet because this ground level right here is going to continue on out and even on over to about right there, and then it'll kind of just barely fade into that area there. So still a little bit to fill in over here, but you know, doing it like that, I'm gonna have a drop off. Let's see where am I at right here. Okay, there's the corner of the house, front door. So right about here, you're kind of looking at the left door of the garage. And so all this will be a driveway over here. So even down to that grader, all this has to be built up. And then we'll kind of taper it on back. So I don't know. Maybe a retaining wall right here. Maybe. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to be mowing any slopes and hills and that kind of thing. I'm just, I'm trying to make this place as low maintenance as possible. Nothing but just a bunch of grass is what I mean by that. I can put robot mowers out here to mow it when I don't feel like it. But I don't want any difficult areas to have to mow and grow turf. And on a hillside, a slope would be one of those. From me to that grader is probably a 10-foot drop. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but from where my feet are at and you went straight out, This grade is going to hit that motor grader right about where the door handle's at. So maybe not quite 10 feet, maybe about 8 feet or so, 7 feet. Still a slope right here, and I don't know if I want to deal with it. So I got to think about it. Might do a retaining wall right there, might not. Not sure yet. Come right over here, and you can see that's kind of opened up down in there pretty good. Of course, that big oak right there is staying, and there's a few more oaks in there. We're going to keep them. A couple more big trees that we're going to hang on to. I've changed it. My shop was going to go right here, but now the shop is going to go all the way down in the corner down there. So it'll kind of be out of the way of the pond, because if I put the shop here, that's going to block our view of the pond. So we kind of moved it up and deeper a little bit back in that corner back there. So we still got some more trees to take down back there so we can get my shop in. And when I say shop, I mean like a lean-to type barn with maybe one closed bay, you know, like a shed shop in one end of it, and the rest of it just be open canopy type, structure. You can see right there, cleaned up that tree line right there. Got me a nice clean line. Now this tree right here, that thing dropped some kind of acorn, not an acorn, like a walnut or some kind of nut. It ain't a walnut tree, but it drops a nut. So that tree's coming down. And then, no, I was wrong. This is the one that drops the nut right here. That's a sweet gum. It's got the little sticky balls I showed you. So that one's coming down, and that one's coming down, which that one coming down will help with my sunlight in the backyard. It was just kind of opening up a little bit. I think that's the last two trees to come down, other than a few back there where my shop is going to be. And like I said, there's still a few little scragglers in here that's got to come down as well. Well, there's your update. There's your video for Saturday morning. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe, like, all that. We'll show you the house build. And of course, when we get to that point and we're growing turf out here, there's going to be a tremendous amount of turf footage out here. Anything from growing possibly basic turf type tall fescue. We'll have some rye and bluegrass back there in the corner, of course. If I don't do fescue up here, we'll for sure have fescue back there with the other cool season. And if that's Bermuda up in the front yard, you'll get to see a full-blown Bermuda install right there. And then I'm gonna show you a full-blown putting green install, like real deal putting green. I'm not gonna cut any corners on it. I'm gonna do it pretty much all out. And then we'll have a target green down there, about where that pile of trees is at. And then I'm gonna have a line of tee boxes that kind of goes down through there like that. Probably put a couple of tee boxes over here on this corner. It's just gonna be a whole lot. It's gonna be a lot out here. And I'm excited to get with it and show it to you. So subscribe so you don't miss. Check you later.